Hi, I am Noro, and if you want to start a business using AI, here are 5 tools that will save you months of work. First, we have ChatGPT. It's your business brain. You can brainstorm ideas, write your business plan, create emails, and even design your marketing strategies. Second, we have Midjourney. It's your personal designer. You don't need to hire a graphic artist anymore. Just describe your idea, and Midjourney creates logos, visuals automatically. Third, we have Notion AI. You can find it on notion.so. It's your digital assistant. Notion helps you to organize everything in your business, your tasks, content ideas, notes, and planning. It can write summaries, also scripts, and even marketing strategies in seconds. Fourth, we have Gamma. So gamma.app. It's your presentation genius. If you need a pitch deck or a professional presentation for your startup, Gamma creates it automatically. You just have to type your topic and it designs clean, modern slides that you can use instantly. Finally, we have Durable. So, Durable is your website in 30 seconds. You can describe your business, and Durable builds it and builds your entire website automatically, including the text, layouts, and images. So no coding, no stress, just type and publish. You can find it on durable.co. These 5 AI tools can literally replace an entire team. Start using them today.